Hi, this is Mike Wallach with Trimec, and I want to show you a new feature in Draftsight 2024, the View Navigator, right here. But before we look at the View Navigator, let's look at how we would rotate our model in 3D space using Draftsight prior to 2024. Well, I can go to the View tab and from the pull-down select any of these view orientations. I'm already in the top view. Let's try front, or one of 4 isometric choices. The View Navigator makes this easier by making all of those presets available right here. There's the top view. Can go to a view there, any one of my isometric views, and anytime I want to return to my home view, I can hit the home button right here. If I want to change what my home view is, say I'll change to this orientation, and then I can go to Options and set the current view as home. Now, if I'm in some other orientation, and then I want to go back to that previous view, right back to my home. Other options available here include switching between parallel and perspective mode. And also we can access View Navigator properties. We can change which of the 4 corners of the graphics area the View Navigator appears at. We can change its transparency. It's at 50% by default. Also, we have this option to use the active CCS. So I'm going to go ahead and activate that. Right now, I have my World CCS activated. And so the southwest orientation is here, but I have another CCS named Key where it's oriented based on this notch. And now southwest is this orientation. If I change that setting back and uncheck Use Active CCS, now, even while I have my CCS set here, the southwest orientation is back to the default based on the World CCS. So the View Navigator is a really handy tool. I like it a lot. But if you're always working in 2D, you're always in the top view orientation and don't work in 3D at all, then you can turn it off just with the push of a button. And then when you do need it, turn it right back on. It's a great tool. Check it out, and have a good day.